guys, let's talk about cupcake liners real quick. And we're going to compare this foil one to this white one. So product number one is going to be this foil cupcake liner. And as you can see, it is literally made out of foil. However, this is a double cupcake liner. On the inside is actually going to be the white paper one. And so if you wanted to go ahead and use two separate ones, you can. I don't recommend it. Definitely leave your paper one, and then you would have your foil on the outside, which kind of makes it a little bit on the decorative, okay? The second one's actually just gonna be your white paper. It is much different than this white paper. This actually is more like paper as compared to this one's a little bit more on the wax. It's got a little bit of a waxier feeling, and so you can actually go ahead and make your cupcake in this, and then you would place this in some sort of decorative cupcake holder or whatever it may be. So either way, they're both cupcake holders. They both do the exact same thing. You just need to decide if you want to use foil or if you're wanting to go ahead and use paper. Perhaps maybe you just want to use both. Either way, they both work well. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.